Today we're going to walk through the simple task of installing a thermostat on our SunFire radiant heaters. Now you might be asking yourself, why do I need a thermostat on a portable heater? Depending on your application, a thermostat can save you on the cost of fuel by regulating your heater to turn on when you actually need it instead of letting it run continuously. A thermostat can also save you the time it takes to manually turn on or off the heater to maintain your desired temperature. All safety features remain functional while using the thermostat, and will continue to run through the 5-minute cooldown process each time it shuts off. Now let's dive into how to hook up a thermostat to improve your heating experience. The tools we're going to need include a basic thermostat, a flathead screwdriver, a wire stripper, and double-sided tape or Velcro. If you need a thermostat recommendation, you can purchase a kit on the SunFire website under the parts section. But any standard mechanical or battery-operated thermostat will work. The only style you cannot use is a smart thermostat, like a Nest, because it requires a 120-volt power source which you can't properly draw from the heater. First, ensure the power cord is disconnected, and allow the heater to cool down if used recently. With the control switch in the off position, disconnect the thermostat bypass connector. That's the white plug with red wire. Retain this plug for future use. Next, take the thermostat harness plug which is provided in the owner's packet along with the manual. Prepare the wire end using the wire stripper, connect the plug end to the heater, and then the wired end to the thermostat with the help of a flathead screwdriver. This is typically the R&W terminals on most thermostats. Then choose your mounting location for the thermostat. It can be wall mounted if you plan to leave the heater in the same location, but another convenient option is to mount it to the red plastic cover just above the control panel using double-sided tape or Velcro. If mounting on the heater, ensure the harness is securely stowed to avoid interference with the wheels or handle, and verify wiring is not routed near any hot surfaces. Next, plug in the power cord. Set your thermostat just above ambient air temperature to confirm the heater is receiving a call for heat, then it should start the 10-second pre-purge process before firing. Once the heater warms the ambient air to the desired settings, it'll shut off and begin the 5-minute post-purge cooldown process. And that's it! You've completed the thermostat installation. Now you can set the thermostat to the temperature you prefer. Thanks for buying SunFire and supporting a USA-based company. If you have questions or concerns, you can reach our technical support team by using the number below. Thanks again.